what I want, I don't want it. Do what I like, I don't like it. My life is a mess, screaming with boredom. I don't feel nothing when I'm buzzing. Someone add some glamorous hurt. 'Cause when I sleep alone for insomnia, they say you have to be beaten up before you're tender enough.
Hi babes, welcome to today's video. I'm Kaylee with House of a Blonde and I am so glad that you are here with me today. So in this video, we are going to be doing my kind of nightly cleaning and cooking routine. So one thing that I always try to do is when I am making dinner for myself and for my husband, I will just go ahead and clean up any messes that accumulated throughout the day, just take care of any little things that need to be taken care of.
Before you're tender enough, they say you have to bruise to feel. I must be made out of steel. No one is in charge of my steering. This I know, this I know, this I know. Hoping dreams are meant to be shared and seen. No, I know, yes I know. Reading watercolors outside the lines is uplifting and no crime. Get out of the box, let me show you how. Here we go. No one is in charge of my steering. This I know, this I know, this I know. Hoping dreams are meant to be shared and seen. No, I know, yes I know. Reading watercolors outside.
I just went ahead and tidied up the kitchen so that I could have a clean surface to go ahead and start cooking with. So I am going to be making a couple different things tonight. So we are going to be doing some baked mahi mahi. I am going to be doing some chicken for my husband on the Hot Shot smokeless grill that we got recently. And then I'm going to be doing some broccoli and potatoes for myself, and then some pizza for him.
But life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times. To better times, to better times, to better times. Remember I was laughing in all the photos that you took, but now it looks like acting, like we were fiction in a book. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, to better times, to better times. Nothing can stop me in the night. Look to the left, look to the right. Nothing can stop me in the night. Like I am leaving all the bad stuff. Go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 throw my emotions out. Go, 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 running to better times. To better times, to better times. To better times, to better times. To better times, to better times, to better times. I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving.
Now, you will see me weighing everything out here, and that is actually because both my husband and I track macros. We compete in bodybuilding and different competitions, so we really make sure that we are tracking everything that we eat, as we do have shows coming up in the near future. So that is why too we are also eating 2 completely separate meals based upon our macronutrient needs for the day.
This moment, can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving.
So while I wait for everything to cook, we've got things in the oven, things on the hot shot, and food in the air fryer as well. And while everything is cooking, I am gonna go ahead and continue to clean and tidy up for the evening. So first I'm just gonna go ahead and vacuum everything up here. And then our bed was made this morning. However, Winnie, one of our dogs, loves to unmake the bed. So I went ahead and just kind of remade it so that I could get ready to fold some laundry.
I grew up and I'm bitter. 0 out of 3 no more. Thought that I'd be quicker, but I'm heading out that way for sure. Said that you'd be waiting, and now it's been too long. Been too long. I wish that we could turn back time, back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls and now tomboy t-shirts. When life was good and the worn out sneakers. When we were fine but we complicated. back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls and our tomboy t-shirts, when life was good and our worn out sneakers, when we were fine about the complications. Those were the days in our tomboy t-shirts. Dirt on my jeans and sing good old snapback, floating through the street like holding your hand tight. Dirt on my jeans and sing good old snapback, floating through the street like I wish that we could turn back time, back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine.
So while dinner is cooking, I typically try to get as much done as I can. I'm usually super busy during the day, so this is a time for me to just kind of catch up on any cleaning or little things that need to get done around the house. So I typically try to vacuum, because we all know about the crazy dog hair around here. Fold some laundry. I actually had another load that I needed to fold, but I will do that tomorrow morning. And then I usually just tidy up, whether it's the kitchen or the bathroom or whatever I think just needs a little quick spruce up.
You know it's way too late, regretting our mistakes. You got so head over heels crazy. Need to apologize, we went too far this time. Come a little closer, there's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. I love you and yeah. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know you'll do right by me, I'll do right by you. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know. We got this. It's way too easy to say stuff I never do, you know it's not.
While I am doing all of these little tasks while dinner is cooking, I will periodically just kind of pop back in there, make sure that everything is looking nicely, looking okay. I might flip the chicken or take the fish out of the oven, take the pizza out, but it's just a great time for me to catch up on things and get a lot of housework done. So let's go ahead and take a look at the finished product. Here is Brandon's chicken, his pizza, my mahi-mahi, and that is it. I hope that this inspired you to get some things done, to multitask, and make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks, babe.